Hello.
Progress indicator. Busy. Progress indicator. Window. System dialog.
Hi. Oh, man. Stop talking.
Press Control Option.
Stop talking. Okay. Hi. Welcome to the Divinely You podcast. Welcome to Saradivinelyyou on YouTube. My box showed up today, so I'm going to do a little February unboxing. What else do I want to say? Oh, I wanted to say about businesses in general, like yesterday, I started to kind of like come out about my opinions and thoughts about things. And I wanted to say a few things about like businesses, and how my camera is not how I want it. Anyway, that's better. So I participate in businesses that feel aligned with me, not 100%. There are some things I still participate in out of sheer like necessity or whatever, like public transit. I don't agree with what policies with public transit right now, but I have to get places. But with businesses, like I use products that align with me. I don't use products just because it's what I've always used. So it's what I know. So I just thought I would share a little bit of that. So, like I don't use cleaning products because I don't feel the need to spend the money on them. I don't use store-bought laundry soap because I don't feel the need to spend the money on it. I make my own stuff. So I wanted to say that up front, because I just want to start giving you like information about like where I stand on stuff, so that if it does align with you, then you know that I'm somebody that you probably want to work with. So that having been said, my oils come from doTERRA. And I realized that doTERRA, like people are like, oh, it's more expensive. Yeah, but their products align with me. There are other great oils out there. Do not get me wrong. I've used plenty of other kinds of oils. Some don't align, some do work for me. But in general, I have found that a lot of the products from doTERRA are exactly perfect for me and my life. So I got my monthly order. Every month I order my products. I order new oils to try and new supplements to try and other things to try. And then I have standard stuff that I just use in my daily life. And so I know last week I talked about supplements. So I restocked on supplements. So we got the Tri-Ease, which is one that I take daily, especially when seasonal threats are higher. Where are you? Turmeric. I know I talked about this one last week. This is becoming one of my favorites. I also occasionally, if I feel like I'm super flamed up, I will do like kombucha, or whatever, like a ginger turmeric tonic. And then I know I talked about the Serenity gel cap as well. One of my favorites, for just getting some rest or being restful. And then I also got, I don't know which way this is, so I'm sorry. Hold on. Maybe let me do this. 1 second. Hold the phone. Technical things. Because you have a built-in magnifier on your phone. I'll talk about that in a Tuesday video at some point. Okay, cool. Making sure that I have this the right direction for you. This is the Serenity Bar Soap. doTERRA makes several different bar soaps. Serenity is one of them. I'm a nighttime shower person. I like to wash off the crap from the day, especially if I've had a really shitty day. And so I use this soap. It's wonderful. You can get a 3-pack of it. So that's what I do, so that I keep a well stock of it. So that's that. And then I got this is the On Guard toothpaste. I love this stuff. This stuff is so good. I love On Guard. It's one of my favorite scents. If a man wore it as cologne, I'd probably like fall in love immediately. But I wear it as a like a, I don't want to say cologne, but like a perfume kind of thing. But it smells delicious. It's very like spicy and gingery, and I think there's some cardamom in it. And it's the On Guard is the protection blend. And so there's that. And then excuse the background noise. That seems like somebody just started doing dishes. I got these to try. These are the Dishwasher Pods in the new Adobe line of things. And so I got some of the products so that I can try them and see. These are the Dishwasher Pods. So I thought that I would give those a go and see how that turns out. Okay, now let's get to some of the oils that I got this month. There's a lot. So I also got, before I get into the oils, I got these little jars. Let me see if I can pull one out of here. Because I thought if y'all wanted to get some sample blends, if you hear me talking about different oils that I use, I have these little tiny jars. Look at how baby they are. So cute. But if you want to sample a blend that you hear me talk about, you can, I can send you a little sample blend. These are open mouthed. So there's not like there's no, I mean, it's just, yeah, they're open. So they're not going to drip, they're going to just full on pour out. But you can always use a medicine dropper. That's what I use for my oils, is a medicine dropper. Then I have a little more control because I can't see the oils dripping. So even with the ones that have the drip cap on them, I take the drip cap off and use a medicine dropper. So then I have more control over them. That's how I get around that. So I love how they package stuff in this cool, like meshy, papery thing. So we got this one is geranium oil. Oh, am I showing you the label? Okay. Geranium oil. I've already smelled this. It's very flowery. I know it's a flower. It seems very obvious, but it seems like it's very like pretty potent. Like yeah. Anyway, this is I've heard Tamara Jean talk about this one several times, and so I must look at my oil order like immediately after I hear her talk about an oil, because there are several oils that I like went back and looked, and I'm like, why did I even, oh, she must have talked about it one day. And I like immediately went and put it in my monthly order so that I would have it. I got 2 different rollers this month. Where the hell did the other one go? Here it is. Okay. This one is Neroli. I'm not familiar with it a lot, but in order to get familiar, I bought it. So I'm going to try it and see how it works. I don't really know what to say about the fragrance. I'm probably not really good at describing the fragrances. My windows are open and the kids just got home from school. This one smells very earthy, I want to say. So I will write more information about that eventually. And then I got this one. It's called Whisper. And where's the damn label? There it is. Okay. This one is like a women, like I think it's for, I mean, it's definitely perfumey. It's definitely, I don't know, like I said, it's just perfumey. So I got a lot of perfumey type oils, which I'm normally not a perfumey person, but in order to embrace my divine feminine, I am practicing getting into more feminine-ish type oils and whatnot. So that's that. What else do I have in here? Okay, I got this. This is the Adobe Cleaner Concentrate. It's a little tiny amount, like it's not much, but it's a concentrate, so you kind of dilute it in water as a all-purpose cleaner. So I'll be experimenting with that and letting you know. It smells really good. It smells, I don't know, maybe a little citrusy kind of, which is good because I like citrus for cleaning. Okay, then I got a whole bunch of extra special things. So I'm trying to pull this out in one bunch. Because this was all the freebie stuff. that came along with. So if you order the points, the loyalty rewards points plus the PV points, you get a bunch of special extra oils. So I try to do that so that I get the extra oils. So wild orange, obviously. Oops. Ugh. I wish they'd put like a little glue marking on them so that I can, but whatever. Thanks for being patient with me. I know that's why you guys watch my channel, is so you can be patient with me. Tangerine. Yummy. Then we got grapefruit. That's going to be a fun one to play with. And then we got, what are you? Clementine. So another orangey type of fragrance. And then this one might be my favorite. This is lemon eucalyptus. I actually cannot wait to clean with this. I use citrus oils to clean because I just, like I said, I love the smell of citrus. It's cleansing to me. So I like it for that. I also like to blend it for when I'm like waking up so that I feel like really refreshed when I use citrus oils. So that's why I got the little jars too. Like if you want to have me blend any of these oils for you, then I can do that and send it to you. And you'd have just the oil. So it's not a roller, it's just a jar. So you would be able to like put it in your diffuser or put it in your cleaner or whatever so that you would have it. So that was the order this month. I am super excited to try some of these products and see where this goes. Especially the cleaner and the washer tabs and the two new more like flowery oils that I got. Like I said, I'm not normally one who likes like flowery fragrances, but working on that divine feminine. I got the divine feminine phone. Anyway, so if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will answer them. And if you have any, I'll put my store link to my doTERRA store in the comments or in the show notes, in the show notes, in the description box, whatever oh man, y'all know. Okay. Thanks so much for tuning in. What else was I going to say? If you have questions, I covered that. Okay, that's all I have to say. So have a good rest of your day. Thank you so much for tuning in to either the podcast or YouTube. I appreciate you. Thanks for liking, sharing, and all of the things. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.
Stop recording now and stop.